Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi and very good morning. So today I'm gonna present about our mini project, which is our group made a washing machine mini project group 1. So this is a few components that we use in this project, which is we use switch, we also use LCD 7 segment, and also the DC motor. Now I'm gonna show you what happened when we press switch 1, switch 2, and also switch 3. So this every switch will represent the mode that we gonna use, which is switch 1 is for the low mode, switch 2 is for the medium mode, and switch 3 is for the high mode. So I'm gonna press switch 1. First you're gonna see that 7 segment will start countdown to 10 seconds. The water will flow in, and then DC motor will start running, which is the wash mode, and then 7 segment again count down to 10 seconds, which is the water will flow out, and then DC motor will spin mode. DC motor will run, and then next I'm gonna show you when I press the switch 2, the LCD will show the next mode, which is medium mode. 7 segment will start countdown to 15 seconds, which is the water is flow in, and then DC motor is start running, which is the wash mode for now. And next, after the DC motor stop, the 7 segment will start countdown again to 15 seconds, which is the water flow out, and then we're gonna see DC motor is start running, and this is the spin mode. Okay, next I'm gonna show you what happened when we use the high mode, which is I'm gonna press the switch 3, LCD will show high mode, and the 7 segment will start countdown until 20 seconds. The water will flow in, and next the DC motor will start running, which is this is the wash mode. We're gonna wait, and now 7 segment will start again countdown to the 20 seconds, which is the water will flow out, and then DC motor again will start running, and this is the spin mode. So to summarize, the system that we use is, first, when we press any switch, the 7 segment will start countdown, which is this is the water flow in, and then DC motor will start to running. This is the wood, and next 7 segment again will start countdown, which is this is the water flow out, and next again the DC motor will start running, and this is the spin mode. So that's all I think from our group, and the project have completed. So thank you for lending your ears. That's all from us.